surface in Miami has issued a special marine warning. Lake Okeechobee until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm, capable of producing winds 34 knots or greater, located 8 nautical miles northeast of Liberty Point, moving north at 5 knots. Additional thunderstorms could move across the lake from the south or develop, capable of producing strong wind gusts. As this thunderstorm moves over the water, boaters can expect gusty winds and high waves. Move to safe harbor or stay close to shore until the storm passes.